Hello friends and welcome back to my channel of Purnima's Healthy Recipes. Today we are making a very tasty and traditional Maharashtrian recipe, Ratalachi Feni, also known as sweet potato pancakes. These fenis are crispy and a perfect dish for fasting on days like Ekadashi, Navratri, Mahashivratri. So, on the occasion of Ashadi Ekadashi, let's make something more traditional. Let's start with the recipe. So I've taken the sweet potato and we need to thoroughly wash this with water. So I've taken one bowl and we will fill this with water. What we are going to do is we are going to grate the sweet potatoes and we are going to grate this in water. If we don't keep the grated potatoes in the water, they will turn black. So whenever we grate the sweet potatoes or we cut them, always stir them with water. While making, we will strain the water. So now our sweet potatoes are ready for cooking. These are the ingredients that we are going to require for the recipe. This is the grated sweet potato. I have strained all the water. Then we are going to require this powdered sugar for decoration. And this is homemade ghee, Sazuk tu, in which we are going to cook. I am taking this iron griddle for making these fenis because fenis are not very crisp when cooked in this. So if you have iron griddle, well and good, you can use this. This is a very old griddle actually passed on from my great mother-in-law. That is my mother-in-law's mother-in-law, and it's of very good quality. So we will apply some ghee on this and take some portion and spread it in a round shape, small round shape, and then apply some more ghee in this, and then we will cover and cook for at least say half minute. After half minute we will check on this. Okay, so we will check this now. Here it has started leaving the side, so it is getting cooked on this side. So we will now toss this and cook on the other side also and make it very nice crispy. We are going to cook this on low flame. And eating sweet potatoes, as we know, it's very healthy. It is rich in nutrients. It is very high in potassium, magnesium, and of course vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6 also. It boosts our immunity also. It is good for our guts, so therefore it is good for our digestion also. It regulates our blood sugar. It's good for our eyes, and it's good for our heart also. And of course it is energy booster because of potassium and magnesium that we are getting. That's why we this is a very fasting friendly food we eat during our fast, and of course it is gluten free also. So our fenis are now getting cooked. This is now almost crispy and it has become nice golden from both the sides. The smell is coming so very nice. The aroma is so good. So it's time that we remove this on our serving dish, and then we are going to sprinkle some powdered sugar in this. Remember that we have to sprinkle this powdered sugar when it is still hot. Okay, so now I will prepare some more fenis out of the remaining grated sweet potatoes. This recipe was actually taught to me by my Auntie Sasubai, that is my mother-in-law's mother-in-law, and I liked it a lot at that time. Since that time, I've been often preparing this recipe at home because everybody likes eating this. In a similar way, there are so many recipes we can make out of sweet potatoes actually. And in our Indian culture, we have so many recipes which are for fasting. Meanwhile, I have shared the link in the description below of the Sabudana Khichdi. So please do watch it. So friends, if you're loving my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to click on the bell button down below for the notification of all my upcoming videos. You can also grate this in advance, all the sweet potatoes, and keep them in the fridge. Store this under water and then keep them in the fridge. They will not turn black, and whenever required, just remove from the fridge and dish out these hot crispy fennies anytime. You can have them during fast, of course, but even when you're not fasting, you can have them as a snack because this is a really wholesome, truly satisfying snack. It is very nutritious, gluten free, and of course, with very bare minimum, no ingredients at all, you can prepare this instantly. So as you can see, our Ratarachi Feni or crisp sweet potato pancakes are now ready for serving. See this? They have turned out so very crisp and nice golden in color and nice aroma also. So hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. See you again.